You don't have to spend big bucks to make a big difference in the quality of the sound in your car. Upgrading your speakers is a great place to start, and we're going to show you some of our favorite picks for car speakers you can buy for less than $100. Before we dive into the list, a few points of order. It's important that when you're shopping for speakers, you know exactly what will fit your specific vehicle. Go to Crutchfield.com, enter your vehicle's make and model, and we'll only show you the speakers we know will fit. When you buy from Crutchfield, we'll send you step-by-step vehicle-specific instructions with pictures to help you install your new speakers. And you'll have lifetime access to our tech support team 7 days a week for free. One more thing I share anytime we're recommending speakers is an online tool we actually invented here at Crutchfield called Speaker Compare. It lets you listen to and compare speakers side by side right from our website using a pair of headphones. It's great for getting a sense of how different speakers sound relative to each other, and it works for home speakers too. All right, let's get to our list. Quick note, we're defining under $100 as the speaker's full retail price at the time of filming this video. Our first pick is one that's been popular with our customers for years, the Kenwood Sport Series. This one is the 6.5-inch model, the KFC 1666S. These might be the best bang for the buck out there, retailing for $50 to $70 a pair depending on the size. They deliver pretty good bass for a door speaker, and the 1-inch balanced dome tweeter gives you crisp details. That tweeter alone represents a huge upgrade over most factory speakers, and our customers know how much clearer the music sounds. With a 90 dB sensitivity, they're reasonably efficient and will sound good with factory head unit power. They can handle up to 30 watts RMS, so they're perfect for a system with an aftermarket radio as well. Kenwood is giving you a lot of speaker here for 50 bucks or so. Next up, our pick for the best sounding speaker under $100 when you're only using head unit power, Infinity Primus. These use a 3-ohm design that compensates for your small gauge factory wiring and delivers a little more volume from your stereo. That extra touch of power really shows up in the dynamic range of your music. Infinity extends their woofer cone right up to the edge of the basket, giving it more surface area and helping it deliver more bass and mid-range punch. The rubber surround is durable, and an edge-driven silk dome tweeter really brings out music details and helps define the placement of instruments in a stereo mix. These retail for around $80 a pair, and they're well worth it. They're built to last and should serve you well for years to come. Our next pick is Rockford Fosgate's Prime series. This is their entry-level line, but they're well built and deliver the classic sound profile Rockford Fosgate is known for, all without blowing your budget. You get durable rubber cones, a silk dome tweeter, and a design that helps them fit in more vehicles. For instance, that tweeter is flush mounted with the woofer cone, so it doesn't protrude or push against your grills. Prime speakers are efficient, so they're happy with factory power. They can handle up to 45 watts RMS if you add a small amp as well. Next up, Kicker CS series coaxial speakers. Now, the Kicker CS component sets are over $100, but the two-ways are around $90 a pair. These are the pick on our list for speakers under $100 that can handle serious power. You can feed them up to 100 watts RMS from a separate amp, which makes them a go-to for building a car audio system on a budget that you might want to upgrade later. And why they're some of the best-selling speakers, period. Even though Kicker's slogan is "Livin' Loud," these speakers do more than just blast decibels. They play your music with nuance and detail and are a considerable upgrade when connected to just factory power. That being said, these speakers deserve some juice. Give them the power they crave, and they'll pay it back in full, with sound that punches way above the price tag. The final choice is a bit of a specialty option, but it fills a niche for under $100 per pair. The PowerBass OE Series are designed to work as replacement speakers in 2-ohm factory setups, so you don't lose any volume when you swap speakers. PowerBass OE speakers make the most of your factory power with a step up in build quality and a leap forward in sound quality from your factory speakers. Their shallow mounting depth helps them fit in more cars too. It's not right for every upgrade, but if you have a tricky system and want better sound without rewiring everything, PowerBass has you covered. Better sound doesn't have to mean a full system overhaul or a big spend. Whether you're working with factory power or planning to add an amp later, there are solid speaker upgrades that can make a difference today. You might just be $100 away from loving your sound system again. If you've got questions or want help picking the right speakers, give us a call here at Crutchfield. Thanks for watching.